Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to reset maintenance required light on 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Same process will work on 2021 TRD off-road Toyota Tacoma. If you have a maintenance required light on your truck, that's most likely you need to change oil. After you have a changed oil, now we have to reset maintenance required light. I show you an easy way and quick how to reset. First you have to start your truck, as I have already running. So at this position you see maintenance required message on the screen. We are going to use these buttons navigation to work with resetting the light. First I'm gonna press this one and maintenance required message will go away. So once you on this screen, as you can see, this blue one is my arrow, and I'm going to use right and the left arrow to go to the gear thingy. I'm gonna press this one and you will see this one moving. I'm gonna go to this gear thingy. I'm already at the gear like settings. Now as I'm on my blue cursor is on the setting, I'm gonna press this middle little round dot button. We get in the setting. From here, I'm already straight to the maintenance required light. If you not, you just need to use these buttons, go up and down, go to the maintenance reset. Now we're gonna press this center dot button and your maintenance light will reset. Now it's asking if you want to reset. I'm gonna use up arrow to go to the yes and press yes. Now it says maintenance reset completed. That's all. We're gonna turn our truck off and we will turn back on, and you will not see maintenance required light anymore. So that's the way you can reset maintenance required light on your Toyota Tacoma 2020 TRD off-road or 2021. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.